At DRS Daylight Solutions, we understand the crucial role we play in serving our customers with products and services they can count on. Over the last several decades, our team has established a track record of success in serving our customers as their most trusted end-to-end supply chain solution, providing reliable, high-quality photonic solutions. Our products are enabling some of the world's most demanding applications in terms of performance and reliability. From healthcare to telecommunications to aerospace and defense, these are truly zero-failure missions that require operation without failure over extreme environmental operating conditions. It is truly motivating for us to think about where we can leverage our capabilities and experience to enable what's next. We have commercialized quantum cascade lasers for applications such as semiconductor materials inspection, drug discovery, manufacturing and bioprocessing, and military aircraft protection. We have recently qualified our high-power lasers for space communications applications. And we are leveraging these capabilities to expand our wavelength coverage into the visible and UV. At Daylight Solutions, we're more than just manufacturers. Our mission is to serve our customers as true partners and to ensure that their successes are no longer limited by their photonic supply chain. We look forward to working with you.